Looking for something special to cook this Valentine's Day? I've heard you. My name is Annie, you are on Sweets and Treats channel, and today we're gonna make amazing red velvet white chocolate chip cookies. Look how soft and chewy they are. For this recipe we need all-purpose flour, brown sugar, granulated sugar, soft unsalted butter, 1 egg, white chocolate chip, cocoa powder, baking soda, vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, strong red coloring and salt. Mix together butter, sugars and vanilla sugar. Make sure you're using soft butter. Take it out of the fridge at least 2 hours before baking so it's ready to go when you need it. Beat it well. When it's beaten well, add egg, red coloring and mix it together. In spare bowl, combine flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. Add flour mixture to the creamed butter and mix it well. Add chocolate chips. Cover the dough and chill it in the fridge for at least 2-3 hours, better overnight. Take the dough out of the fridge and allow it to slightly soften at room temperature for 10 minutes. Roll cookies up into balls, leaving some space between them. Bake it for 10 to 13 minutes at 170 degrees, but do not overbake. We want them to be just barely done for that soft, melty texture. As soon as you took them out of the oven, place the chocolate hearts on top of the cookies. Cookies have to be still soft when we're placing hearts on them. Let them sit on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before removing to cooling rack. Don't forget to share the cookies with your Valentine or just enjoy it yourself.